In the distance, an incredibly large animal can be seen the size of a submarine. These actually grow over 100 feet long. The ocean is intense. Blue whale is estimated to measure 30 meters or about 100 feet long in some cases. This giant animal strangely resembles a dragon of myth. It's truly amazing to see this animal. It looks like a real-life swimming dragon right in front of you. In the time of 100 years, humans hunted about 3 to 10% of the entire population. This is the largest animal known by science to have ever existed on planet Earth.